and that is National Scrapbooking Month here at Close to My Heart. And we always celebrate with something fantastic. And Postcard Perfect is that something fantastic. Now, it is not just this one thing though. It is a bunch of different Postcard Perfect products that work together, but this is just one of them. And I know many of us have come back from some fabulous vacations over the winter holiday. Maybe it was last year and we didn't get away this year, but lots of us have photos of vacations to scrapbook, and this kit just makes it fast, simple, easy, but also beautiful. So I recently was on the Close to My Heart trip to Thailand, which was phenomenal to say the least. Like, look at these pictures, like just outstanding. And when I saw this kit, it was released while we were in Thailand, I was so excited because it really is the perfect paper to go along with some of my pictures, especially some of these of Phuket. So these are going to be the pictures I use in my Cut Above layout kit with Postcard Perfect, and I'm going to show you how these kits come, what's involved in them, and how simple they go together. And then we're going to put a page together today. So this all in all, hopefully it'll take only about 10 minutes because these kits go together really quickly. So in the Postcard Perfect Cut Above layout kit, you receive these 3 layouts and everything you need. All you need to do is add your photos, some adhesive, some 3D foam tape if you'd like, and a journaling pen. They put it right here. You don't need anything else. Fantastic, right? Inside, they give you some photos done up of the finished layouts. They give you some measurements and some tips in how to put them together. Also fantastic. And you can change it up. Obviously, they're your layouts, but it's really nice to have the ideas there for you. Here's some more on the back. All right, so that's the first piece. These pieces here, these are photo placemats. So these are just to use in lieu of photos. Maybe you buy this kit with the plan to scrapbook photos of an upcoming vacation. You can use these place photo here spots to put on the layout if you create it ahead of time. That way when you come back from your vacation, you know exactly the size you need and where to place them on your layout. You won't forget. So they're very handy. And if you don't use them this time, hold on to them because there'll be another time when you will. And then inside the package, you receive all of the pieces pre-cut people. There's nothing better than that. All of the pieces for the layouts that you'll need. So all 3 are here. You also receive a bunch of sticker sheets, layout die cuts, more sticker sheets, and you can see they're labeled. So it's really easy for you to find what you need. More stickers, and then make sure I'm not taking, there's some die cuts. And then the last couple pages are the background pages for your layouts. So you can see they have a pre-design to them, which makes it very simple. This one's got a beautiful geometric pattern. And then this one's like a blue sunburst. Oh, and that's cool. It's even built into that. So the layout I'm going to make today is the second one. And I know I need these pieces for the background. So I'll lay these out and put the rest of my stuff to the side. So I pre-selected, based on the photos I had, a layout that would work best. And I'm going to go with this one here. So I know I need to gather some pieces. This is layout 2. And layout 2. on the screen for you. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in the page protectors. So this is one of the other things that actually comes with this kit is you receive all the page protectors for all 6 pages. So that's great because it means you don't have that additional cost either. You can put them together, get them right into your albums, and you've got those memories scrapbooked in just minutes. Like, this did not take us long. We are only a few minutes into our live, so the time's blocked, so it's hard for me to tell exactly what time. Okay, so at this point, I still have photos that I want to add. I have memories, and I don't want to leave these memories behind. So in order to do that, I am going to use some of our flip flaps. And if you have never used these, you are missing out. These are probably one of the best products we sell. We have been selling them for years, and they are fantastic, the best out there. And these are our 4x6 sizes, and they come with adhesive on 2 of the edges, so a vertical and a horizontal, and that just gives you ultimate playability with what you're going to do. So I want to add a flip flap here because I would like to add this photo, and in fact I'm going to make a decision and get rid of that one and add these 2. I love the shot on the front, so I think to start I'm going to add this like this. You just slide your photos in, keeping in mind that when you fold that down, that when you open it, if you place it here, that you want your photo to not be upside down like I just did. See, I just did exactly what I don't want you to do. So you need to put your photo in, your second photo in upside down. Because then when you flip this open, there we go, ta-da. So this is the adhesive strip. You peel this off. It is super, super sticky. So when you do peel it off, I highly encourage you to be ready and to know where you want to place this. And then you line it up, photo over photo, and stick it down right on top of the memory protector. So this is on top of the plastic. I flip it open, I smooth it again, and there is my flip flap. So I've added 2 extra photos to my layout that at first you don't really see until you come and you actually touch them and move them. So over here, I want to add another flip flap, but this time I'm going to use one of these ones on this size of photo down here. And right now I only have 1 photo, but I bet you if I dig through my pictures, I can find another photo to put in afterwards. The flap part, this opening is open even after I stick this down, so if I need to change anything I can. Again, I'm going to pull that off, fold it down, line it up, and when I have it, stick it down. You got to be ready to commit because this adhesive is really strong and it doesn't come up and reposition very well. It'll make an awful mess. So that is my 2-page layout for Postcard Perfect, coming out May 1st to celebrate National Scrapbooking Month, and just one of the many awesome products we're going to be able to share with you next month because we also have a new catalog. So let's quickly show you some of the other things. Now this is an unboxing because here